Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make another easy exercise for beginners. And this is how it's going to look. We have here the drawing. This is it. We're gonna start with this, let's call it base, this side here. Then we're gonna make this small cylinder here and then this other part. So let's start. First, let's open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, press OK. And now let's make this plain white like usually. Now we're gonna start a sketch in the top plane. And here we'll start with one circle. This circle will have the diameter 120 millimeters. And then let's select circle again. And let's make a smaller one. Select this circle and select here construction geometry. And now this one will have the diameter 84 millimeters. And now select another circle. And let's make one circle in this point. And with smart dimension, let's give a diameter for this one too. It will be 10 millimeters. And now we're gonna use circular sketch pattern from linear sketch pattern. And here we'll have to select this circle, for example, or this point as a reference for this to multiply around. So either this point or this circle or this one. Alright, here we'll put 4 instances. Here 360 degrees equal spacing. And I'll have to select the entities to pattern, which will be this small circle. And now we can see here the preview. Press OK. And now these are not fully defined, so we'll have to add some mates to them. First we'll select this center point with this circle and select here coincident. And then select this center point with this one and select here make horizontal. And now these are fully defined. Now we can also make another circle right here, which will be the center hole. And with smart dimension, let's give the diameter, it will be 25. Alright, and now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here the thickness for this will be 35. And press OK. Nice, and now we have the so-called base. Now let's select this face and let's open a sketch. And here select this circle and select here convert entities command. And now select circle again and let's make a bigger one. And with smart dimension, let's give a diameter. And the diameter will be 60 millimeters. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here will be 30 millimeters. The depth for this, and press OK. Alright. Now let's open another sketch on this face. And here let's select this edge and select here convert entities command. Now we'll select center line and let's make a horizontal center line just like this in the middle of this circle. And now with trim entities command, let's cut this upper part. And now let's select 3-point arc and let's make an arc just like this. Select this arc with this arc and select here make concentric. And now with smart dimension, let's give a radius for this one. And this one will have the radius 20 millimeters. And the bigger one should have 30 millimeters. And that's good. Now select line and let's close this sketch. Now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here will be 60 millimeters. Press OK. Okay, now select this face and let's open a sketch. And here we'll start with a center line. make it vertical in the middle of this part. And now let's select line. And we'll start to make the sketch just like this. Actually, let's try something else. Let's make one line like this. And then let's make another one like this. And select this line with this one. And select here, make equal. And now let's select tangent arc. Let's make here an arc. Let's make here another one. Alright, now with smart dimension, let's try to define this. From this center point to this center line, here will be 44 millimeters. And now let's see if we can make this symmetry. Okay, so select the center line with these two center points, and then we're gonna select the relation symmetry. And now let's select this middle point from this center line with this center point from this arc, and select here, make horizontal. Right, and now let's give a radius for this, and here will be 16. And now let's select circle, and let's make a circle like this. Then select the circle with Control pressed from the keyboard, select the center line, and then go up here and select mirror entities command. Now it's smart dimension, let's give a diameter for this circle, and it will be 16 millimeters. Alright, now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here we'll select reverse the direction, and it will be the depth 30 millimeters. Press OK. Alright, now this is looking good. Now select this face and open a sketch. And with this face selected, select here convert entities command. Now go to features, use extruded cut. And here instead of blind, select up to next and press OK. And this is looking better. Now what we'll have to do, the last thing, is to select this face, open a sketch, and select here circle again, and let's make a circle. With smart dimension, let's give the diameter, and it will be 110. Now go to features, use extruded cut, and here the depth will be 10. Actually 15. Press OK. And now this is it. Now, if you want another way to make this cut here with this hole here, you can use hole wizard. Select from here this one, legacy hole, and then you select counterboard, and then you'll have to give here the dimensions. For example, for this one, we're gonna consider it the bore diameter, and here should be, instead of 40, 110, and then the bore depth will be 15, and then the other diameter, the small one, will be 25, and then this depth will be through all, you can keep it, let's see, 35, 65, 70, so above 65 millimeters to be the right dimension. Then go to positions, select 3D sketch, and you'll just have to place it inside here in this center point. Make sure that it's concentric with this face or this edge. And then press OK, and everything should be the same. Alright, now this was the tutorial for today. This is the part. If you like it, you can consider leaving a like, a comment. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.